Happy Sunday, you guys. Anywho, I'm over here getting this dinner together for our Sunday dinner. Having fun on the escalator. I have some of these turkey legs already prepped up, ready to go in the oven. Can't wait till they get done. Everything else, because it's going to be a fantastic mealtime. Making some of my favorites and sharing them with my family. So, have a great day, you guys. Peace. So with me, I'll just go ahead and cut the sweet potatoes up, boil them, and then I'll, put them in the oven with the sugar, butter, and all that stuff, alright? So my sweet potatoes are ready to go inside of the oven. I like to make mine, and my family loves them. Ooh, they love them. Can't wait till you get done. Doesn't that look good? It ain't even done yet. You know, this food is almost done. It might be done for some people, but it ain't done for me. Not yet, but it's almost done. Yeah. So this cabbage, greens, and turkey butt is currently almost finished. Now I have to boil mine a little longer because King&QueenKarate and Ariana, they don't really like it when it's not real soft. I mean, they'll eat it, but they really like it when it's like overly done. We love our food cooked well done, you guys. The mac and cheese is almost done. I give it about a good 45 minutes and it'll be done. I didn't want to add any breadcrumbs to it this time, so we gonna eat it this way. Once I make these turkey legs, I don't really like season them like the traditional style. I put all of those other little herbs and stuff in it. And look at it, it looks good. These are done now. But when I make my whole turkey, maybe like more of the traditional style, I do still put a little sage to it. But I definitely like to put other little herbs and stuff up in there because it be just so good like that. They are done. Ooh. I went on ahead and put these turkey legs back in the oven because I just wanted them a little more darker. And ooh, now this is what I'm talking about. Yes. And they're not burnt. This is the seasoning that's on it. So, yeah, that is good. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Mac and cheese. Yeah. Yes, ma'am. Yeah. Good. Yes, ma'am. King&QueenKarate is hungry, so we gonna take this mac and cheese out the oven. He's hungry. Oh, bless his heart. Ooh, so we got this up out the oven since King&QueenKarate is hungry.
You're absolutely right. I'm famished.
Does it look good?
Exceptional.
And I bet you're gonna enjoy it.
You know it.
Absolutely. Yes, I know it is not Thanksgiving, but definitely needed some of this food. Tastes like Thanksgiving.